Understanding the phrase, be a closed book in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the intriguing phrase, be a closed book. This is a common expression in the English language, and understanding it can add depth to your comprehension and expression. So, let's unfold the pages of this phrase together and discover its meaning and usage. The phrase, be a closed book, is used to describe someone or something that is difficult to understand or know much about. Imagine a book that is closed. You cannot see what's inside, right? Similarly, when a person is a closed book, their thoughts, feelings, or past are not easily known or understood by others. They keep things to themselves and are often considered mysterious or reserved. To get a better grasp of the phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Even though they've been colleagues for years, her personal life is still a closed book to him. 2. The ancient temple's history remains a closed book. Researchers are yet to decipher its mysteries. 3. John is a closed book. He rarely shares his thoughts or feelings with anyone. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, emphasizing the secretive or unknown nature of a person or thing. The phrase, be a closed book, is believed to have literary origins. It's a metaphor that likens a person or a subject to a book whose contents cannot be seen unless it is opened. Over time, this phrase has become a popular way to describe the enigmatic nature of a person or the complexity of a subject. Use this phrase when you want to describe someone who is reserved or secretive about their personal life, a topic that is complex and difficult to understand or access, a situation where information is scarce or hidden. Remember, it's a metaphorical expression and is best used in contexts where you want to emphasize the mystery or complexity of someone or something. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, be a closed book. I hope this video helps you understand and use this expression confidently in your conversations or writing. Remember, language is the key to unlocking the mystery of communication, and every phrase you learn opens up a new chapter of understanding. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.